Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my full face using only 5 makeup products. I thought this video will be really helpful for all my girls who are always running late like me, and all the products that I'm going to be using in this video are from the affordable category, so it will be really helpful for you all. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with this video. The first product that I'll be using is this Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer. This is such a great concealer for everyday use. It provides you full coverage and it's really lightweight. So I'm going to be putting this on now. Now I'll be blending my concealer. I am done blending the concealer, and now I'll be using this Johnson baby powder to set my entire face. So I'm done setting my face, and now I'll be directly moving to my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'll be using this Fashion Brow Pomade Crayon from Maybelline. This is such a great eyebrow pomade crayon. So I'm gonna be applying this now. So I am done making my eyebrows, and now I'll be using some mascara, and the mascara that I'll be using is this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. This is a great mascara. I use this on an everyday basis. So I'm going to be putting this on now. So I'm done putting the mascara, and now I think I'm gonna move on directly to my lips. And the lipstick that I'll be using is this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade number 08. This is a beautiful pink color. This is one of my most favorite pinks of all time. So I'm putting this on now. So I am done putting on the lipstick, and I'm thinking, should I apply this lipstick as my blush? I'm not sure, but let's try. I'm just gonna take a little bit of lipstick on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna rub it, and we will see if it looks beautiful or not. I'm using this brush first. it's really hot right now, and my mascara hasn't dried up, so it's getting into my hands. By the way, the blush looks really good. I am very happy that I decided to put on the blush by using this lipstick. So yeah, this is the complete look, and I think this video turned out pretty good. I look pretty okay, though my mascara is messing up a little bit simply because it's really hot and it's not drying up properly. So yeah, this is the complete look. So with that, we complete our today's look. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Share this video with your girlfriends and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this makeup look. And I'm gonna see you all with my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.